This is the Volkswagen e-Golf, and if you have the metal key ignition and the key is stuck, you can't take it out. It's most likely the problem with the lock, which is not mechanical in this vehicle. So wiggling the steering wheel, wiggling the key will not help you much. What you need to do, first of all, you need to understand that if the key is stuck, probably your car thinks that there's a problem with this key. The car can't communicate and can't confirm that the key is original. And what you need to do, you need to press this shift lock button once, press it once, and then it will let you take out the key. But most likely with this key you will not start the car. You will either need to replace the battery here, I have a separate video on how to do that, or reinitialize key fob, I also have a video about that, or also have the key fob replaced, try your spare key and see if the problem is with the chip in this key, and you will need to replace it and have the new key programmed to your vehicle. So this is how it works. You need to just press this to release the key from the ignition cylinder.